Navy and Ateneo up against FEU at 4 p.m. And the last game is CBRS going up against the Philippine Army. Second set action, 8-7, Lamangan Sandugo, San Sebastian. Ooh! Well, those serves really can it can give you an easy point, but just the same, it can give that point to the opponent. It's very risky, no? Yung mga jump
high
serves.
risk. That one, no touch.
Yes, that's true. That hit the tape, went straight out, so point for Ateneo. Ateneo now with the advantage, 9-8. Ooh!
Oh, these errors not helping Sandugo, San Sebastian.
Ten to 8. Alisa serving Jang. Free ball right now for Sandugo San Sebastian. Ooh. Good dig. They go back to Nene. Drop this time.
Oh, good save.
Rhea tips it over. Now it's another free ball. Roses. Finally nabigyan.
But look at the defense of Ateneo.
They go back to Nene. Long ball dug up by Alisa. Longest rally of the match so far. Oh, soft touch there from...
Oh! Nagkagulo sa net. Ferrer
What
and
happened?
Tajima. Hindi nakadaan siya.
What
Si
happened?
Jem and Tajima, I think, let's take a look at that again. Look at this.
Phil was able to get Ayun.
Yun, nagkagulo silang dalawa. Tajima was still at the net. Ferrer had to move forward.
And set. Point going to Sandugo. Oh, service ace from Rhea Di Maculangan.
Ray, of course, one of our steady servers.
We're tied at 10 here in the second set. Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Oh, Tajima!
Again, becoming the crowd favorite.
Nabubuhay itong
Oo,
Inoy
yung
Aquino pag
crowd.
si Tajima ang pumapalo eh. Jem with a short serve to Nene. Ooh! Wow! Angela hasn't lost it a bit, after that hit. Ganyan-ganyan nung naglalaro pa siya sa
Oo.
Adamson.
And I think continuously naglalaro din yan. I think she played beach volleyball also.
Tajima with a tip, this time covered by Rhea. Now it's a free ball for Ateneo. Phil asking for it. The block of Benting on top of the ball. Umbrella over the ball. Good block by Angela. Kita mo, talagang
And nakita mo sa kamay niya talaga, roof.
boom.
Look at that.
Ayun ang block.
Sa block nga, hindi talaga kailangan mataas ka tumalon eh. It's how you really read the ball.
Yeah.
May tamang ano rin yun. Contact.
Z this time. Oh, nice set by Utaywan.
Pwedeng mag-setter.
Kala ko papaluin yun eh. Di ba?
But she opted to set it.
Taiwan is just having a ball out there, Sabi niya, bakit ba gusto ko i-set eh? Pinapapalo niyo sa akin.
Pangarap ko maging setter.
Lazaro with a good reception. This time, Phil. That's what she needs to do because she's very well read in the outside right or left. So, doon siya sa likod kumuha ng palo and she gets a better chance at getting the point. That's what actually happened. She got the point with attacking from that side of their court. Nen. Squeezing that one through. Nene with a serve. Angela set up for Buali.
Excellent block. The Lady Eagles.
Ayun. Serado, and they read Zhang pretty well. Zhang. Off speed, but Jem was right there. Wow, Angela can really reach up, ano? Nasasad na yan.
May hawak sa bola, natatamaan niya. Sanay, of course, Angela Benting, one of the key players, a product of Adamson University.
And we are tied at 14. Here in set number 2, it was Sandugo San Sebastian winning that first set. So if you're Ateneo, you don't want to be down by 2. Off the block. That was just power right there from Zhang. Uy, mahaba yun ah.
Oh, look at Phil! Mahabol pa.
And with that service ace, Angela Benting scores that second technical timeout for Sandugo. They're top by 2. We'll be right back.